This is day 9, Knight's Charge. I'll help you go through this. So this first one, we've done a lot of these now. It's because they're pretty important. What I want you to focus on is either using the box or foil method on this part right here, or even better, using the square double square method, and that's what I'm actually going to do with you. Okay, then we'll distribute, then we'll simplify. So this is taking it from vertex form. Remember, the vertex of this one is the opposite of this, and then it's the same as that. So it's at 2, 3. And the vertex, remember, is the tip of a parabola. So like that might be the graph of it. Okay, but this one just asks us to convert it to standard form. So standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. So what we're going to do is take it, and first thing we need to do by order of operations is take care of this part right here. So what we do is rewrite it, y equals 4, and then what goes in there is square, double, so negative 2 times x is negative 2x, double that, negative 4x, and then square the last part, always positive, plus 4. Okay, and then you have a plus 3 at the end. Okay, now distribute everywhere. That 4 is going to multiply all the parts on the inside. You can pause it right now if you would like and try to get it yourself. That's going to be 4x squared minus 16x plus 16, okay, and then plus 3 at the end. Okay, your last little bit, so I said box, distribute, simplify. Now we're on the simplify part. Y equals 4x squared minus 16x. Okay, this is the only thing that simplifies. 16 plus 3, add it up, 19. This is standard form. It's the same exact equation as vertex form. Okay, the point of standard form, though, is a couple of ways that we'll find that it's a little more easy to figure it out. Okay, convert to vertex form. Well, there's 2 ways to do this. The one way we haven't done in a while, so I'll review it. X equals negative b over 2a. That's the x value for your vertex. Your y value you get from plugging that back in. So this is a, this is b, this is c. So that would be x equals negative 12 divided by 2 times 2. Okay, so that's negative 12 over 4, or x equals negative 3. Now this is also known as the axis of symmetry. Okay, so take negative 3 and plug it in for the x everywhere. So your y value is 2 times x, which is negative 3, squared, plus 12 times x, which is negative 3, plus 4. Okay, so that's going to be 2 times 9 minus 36 plus 4. Or that's going to give you a y value of negative 14. So when we convert it to vertex form, we now have our vertex from these 2 things. Here's the x value from your vertex, here's the y value. Well, the only other thing that we need is to make sure we keep the a value the same between the 2. So vertex form looks like this. A x minus h squared plus k. A is the same thing as in the original, so that would be a 2. X minus the negative 3 from your axis of symmetry, so that gives you an x plus 3 squared. And then plus k. K is the y value from your vertex, which is minus 14. So that gives you that right there. Great. Okay, now factoring. Hopefully you are now feeling a little more comfortable with this. A lot of this day's lesson was just taking care of that factoring. Okay, a times c, so 1 times 21. Headphones aren't really necessary here because it starts off with a 1. Okay, now your middle number goes down on the bottom. Okay, 2 things that multiply to give you 21, add to give you 10, are 3 and 7. Because 3 times 7 is 21, 3 plus 7 is 10. So rewrite it, x plus 3, x plus 7. Okay, nothing to divide and slide because it starts off with a 1x squared. Okay, so that's it for this day's